Hey, what's up, guys? This is Anak Manis doing a recap on today's trade, May 4th, 2021. And yes, it's a loss. It's a red recap today. Um, COCP traded today so bad. Not that great of a trade. Started out badly. Should have taken my gain early, but held it. Went on defense mode all the way and didn't wait long enough until I was able to be green. But yep, that's day trading for you. Day trading is risky, and so you gotta be cautious, especially doing momentum. And so let's go to the chart and let's look at the trade on COCP. All right. So here's the trade this morning, as always. Waking up at around 4:50, I think, this morning. Kind of rushed into it, and so sun is going down and then start curling up. Right at 5 o'clock, which is 7 o'clock Eastern time. It started so it dropped right here at 5 o'clock, and I went ahead and bought 500 shares at 189. Thought it was a good price. I mean, it was a good price. 189 is way right down in this area here, and so it had news. News was okay. It had antiviral news type of thing, but it was not strong enough where it was gonna be sustaining above 180 area there. So yeah, I was looking at you know the support and resistance, and it was showing good support here at 184, but wasn't strong enough. Anyway, so yeah, chased it or bought the dip, chased it. Was gonna sell it right here for like $100 profit, but got greedy. And so this is the thing about greed, guys. No, don't take your profits when you get the chance to. So yeah, that was supposed to be $100 profit there. Instead, held it. Went on defensive mode. Every time it dropped, bought more. Here, as it curls up, I bought more, but not enough. Bulls were not on COCP. BLRX actually was a better stock this morning, but yeah, when you're stuck on COCP, your mental is really when you're stuck on downtrend. And that's the thing about beginner trader. All right, I'm still a beginner. If I pass 10 years of trading, maybe I can call myself an amateur trader. But being 2 years into this, I'm still not there yet. Especially mentally, it's like once you're in a downtrend, you need to cut your loss right away or take gain right away because there's a lot of chances where you could buy more down here. All right. Um, so yeah, it's just kept on going down. Continue buying the what I thought was support. Bought more here. Continue buying more. And right at the open, I thought this is gonna bounce back to $9, 190, and it didn't. So had to continue holding. Bought more here. Brought my average down to 180 area, which was actually a good average there. But looking at all this pattern, I was not willing to hold longer. Like right as it goes up, I saw the resistance here. I was kind of scared, honestly. And so mentally, I was like, oh man, this thing's gonna um, go downward fast. yeah. So again, that's through experience, of course. Since stocks like this that only gives you one chance, to get out, and that was supposed to be right here, but I didn't get out. 400 for a $300 loss. Instead, went down, kept adding, um, and didn't even wait until it continued breaking. I mean, this, especially right here, this was super choppy. This is questionable for me. I was like, oh man, could it drop from 175 back to one, what, 67? That's almost like 10 cents. I didn't want to take that risk, so instead I just sold the bid right here at 1735, which is not that great. Yeah, I mean, it broke VWAP, so you'll expect that it'll drop here. But there are stocks that just go up to VWAP and VWAP become resistance and then just continue dropping lower. And so yeah, this is my trade for this morning. Man, I don't know how these people can be able to hold this long. It's like, I mean, of course they bought down here, but like, how would you, that mentality? I don't have that, like, because I've been holding it way down, way from up here, and it was dropping down here. If I had taken my loss here at 153, I would have lost big, probably what, $1,500 loss. Yeah, so this is what I need to improve, and this is the reason why I need these YouTube videos, so that it gives me, a reminder that, hey, you should have cut your loss here, right? As it you got into a good entry here, should have sold right here. Don't be greedy. And if you did become greedy, you need to get out right here. Right there at least. Look at this support here, right? And so at least get out right there, right? Maybe take your, what, $100 lost instead of $300 lost. And so yeah, so I need to work on that. I still need to be more disciplined. Cannot lose this much. So yeah, should not have been holding in this. And so if you look at my my week, well, actually the month, from yesterday, let's see, I'm up $22.81. Yeah, this loss is a big one. I need to work on this. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, suggestions, especially suggestions, guys, I'm willing to learn new strategies, willing to learn to adapt. I know that I made my mistakes there at not cutting loss quick. Should have sold early. Green is green, right? Should have gotten back in down here. As I see this, the break of trend line here. But yeah, so that's that. That's the recap today. Red day, not liking it. And anyway, if you guys enjoyed the video, enjoyed the recap, hit the like, subscribe if you haven't. And yeah, hopefully tomorrow is a good green day. So, and anyone that's trading out there, be careful, be cautious, take your green, and cut your loss quick. Take care, guys.